Welcome to this peaceful moment. Breathe deeply as you observe the tranquil beach landscape in front of you and allow the beauty of nature to lead you into relaxation. Take a deep breath through your nose and feel the cool air fill your lungs. Hold for a second, then let the breath go slowly through your lips. Let's repeat this a few times using a technique called box or square breathing, where we will breathe to the count of 4, hold to the count of 4, and exhale to the count of 4. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, 2, 3, 4. Think of yourself sitting here for the next 2 minutes, feeling the smooth sand beneath you. Pay attention to your surroundings, including the sound of the waves pouring onto the beach. Let yourself be calmed by the rhythm of nature. As you continue to relax, pause to think of anything for which you are thankful. It may be something as basic as this quiet moment or a tiny happiness from your day. Allow that gratitude to fill your heart. These peaceful moments are something you deserve. Keep this serenity with you all day long. Thank you for joining me in this peaceful getaway. If this helped you relax, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who could use a little serenity. I hope the beauty of nature brings you peace until we meet again.